Your neighbor just made 2 stops at Walmart this week. She didn't walk out with more items. She walked out with smarter ones. Total bill under $25. Teachers, truck drivers, and retirees are quietly tracking a reality most people ignore: major tariff adjustments and economic shifts hitting before June. Independent analysts are projecting cost increases of 15% to 40% on specific household categories within weeks. Today, I'm showing you 13 Walmart items informed shoppers are buying right now for under $2 each, including one 84-cent item that has saved lives across 3 continents. Let's start with item 13. Found in the baking aisle, and almost nobody knows what it's actually capable of. Item 13. Great value cheesecloth, $1.97. Most people walk past this completely. The EPA identifies multi-layer cloth filtration as the essential first stage in field water purification, removing sediment and debris before boiling or chemical treatment. Beyond water prep, cheesecloth serves as a breathable food cover, a wound drainage wick, a seed-sprouting medium, and an improvised lamp wick. This woven cotton fabric does the work of 5 separate items for under $2. Find it in the baking aisle before June. Pricing adjustments hit household goods categories. If this list is already changing your next Walmart run, hit subscribe right now. Item 12. Coffee filters, $1. Beyond the obvious, coffee filters are one of the most versatile utility items in the entire store. They function as pre-filters for both water and air, removing particles before any purification treatment. They work as improvised bandages in field conditions, fire starters when lightly soaked in cooking oil, and lint-free wipes for cleaning sensitive optics and electronics. $1 for a pack of 200 filters that perform functions most people would buy 5 separate products to cover. Bottom shelf, paper goods aisle. Item 11. Canning salt, $1.50 to $1.90. Unlike standard table salt, canning salt contains 0 additives or anti-caking agents, which matters enormously for long-term food preservation. Anti-caking agents interfere with pickling and curing chemistry, producing cloudy brine and compromised preservation. Canning salt is required for properly preserving meat and fermenting vegetables without refrigeration. It also serves as a medical saline base for wound irrigation and a natural abrasive for sanitation cleaning. Never expires, costs almost nothing right now, one of the highest value barter items in any post-grid economy. Item 10. Mylar emergency blanket, under $2. Located in camping or automotive sections, these blankets reflect up to 90% of body heat back to the body, critical for preventing hypothermia during power outages or evacuation scenarios. But the applications go well beyond warmth. They waterproof improvised shelters, reflect signal fires to dramatically extend visibility range, and line coolers to extend refrigerated food life during extended outages. One item performing 4 distinct emergency functions for under $2. Every emergency kit should contain at minimum 3 of these. Item 9. 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, 97 cents to $1.47. Experienced preppers specifically buy the 70% concentration, and the CDC explains exactly why. The water content in 70% solution allows the alcohol to penetrate bacterial cell walls before evaporating, making it measurably more effective for surface disinfection than 90% concentrations, which evaporate too quickly. It functions as a wound decontaminant, fire accelerant, and precision electronics cleaner. Travel sizes are specifically preferable because they prevent the gradual evaporation and degradation that happens once a large bottle is opened and repeatedly resealed. Item 8. Activated charcoal, under $2. Find this in the digestive health section of the pharmacy aisle. Activated charcoal is the clinical gold standard for treating accidental poisoning and acute gastrointestinal distress from contaminated food or water. It works through adsorption, binding toxins directly to its porous surface so they pass safely through the body rather than absorbing into the bloodstream. In post-disaster environments where water contamination produces sudden, widespread illness, this small packet becomes one of the most critical medical items in any household kit. Under $2. Most people have never noticed it. Item 7. Paper surgical tape, $1.97. Standard duct tape is far too aggressive for direct skin contact, and standard plastic bandages fail consistently in high-moisture environments. Paper surgical tape is breathable, hypoallergenic, and specifically engineered to hold wound dressings securely without macerating the skin underneath. It is a standard item in professional field medicine kits worldwide. In a scenario where you're managing wounds without access to medical facilities, the difference between paper surgical tape and an improvised alternative is the difference between a wound that heals and one that gets infected. Pharmacy section, under $2. Item 6. Superglue gel, under $2. FEMA and search and rescue teams carry cyanoacrylate, superglue, specifically for improvised wound closure in austere field environments. The gel version is preferred over liquid because it doesn't run and allows precise application on small, clean lacerations. In a crisis where sutures are unavailable and a cut needs sealing immediately, properly applied superglue gel provides a waterproof, flexible closure that holds under physical activity. Hardware or crafts section. Under $2. One of the most overlooked emergency medical items in any store. Item 5. Ziploc bags, $1.50 to $2. These do far more work in an emergency kit than most people appreciate. Use them to waterproof fire-starting materials, portion and seal dry food rations, protect critical documents from moisture damage, or create improvised ice packs for injury management. In a sanitation crisis, sealed bags provide airtight waste containment that prevents contamination spread. Organization and waterproofing are two of the most undervalued functions in any emergency kit, and Ziploc bags deliver both simultaneously for under $2. Item 4. Electrolyte packets, $1 to $1.50. Dehydration is the primary killer in disaster scenarios, and plain water alone does not fully rehydrate a body under physical and psychological stress. These packets provide precise, clinically validated ratios of sodium, potassium, and glucose that enable the body to absorb and retain fluids significantly more effectively than water alone, critical during heat exposure, illness, or any period of elevated physical output. Find them in the drink mix aisle. At $1 to $1.50 per packet, this is among the highest value per dollar medical items in the entire store. Item 3. Liquid bandage, travel size, $1.97. Found near checkout lanes in most Walmart locations. Liquid bandage creates a waterproof, flexible seal directly over small cuts and abrasions, which is critical in survival scenarios where keeping a wound consistently dry with traditional bandaging is nearly impossible. It moves with the skin, seals out contaminants, and holds through hand washing and physical work. Standard bandages fail in these conditions regularly. Liquid bandage doesn't. Travel size is specifically preferable because the applicator stays fresh and precise rather than degrading after repeated use from a larger bottle. Item 2. Powdered milk single-serve packets, under $2. The USDA classifies non-fat dry milk as a Tier 1 emergency food because it delivers complete protein, calcium, and vitamin D without any refrigeration requirement whatsoever. A single serving provides 8 grams of protein, filling a critical nutritional gap in emergency diets built entirely around rice or pasta, which deliver calories but almost no complete protein. Mix with oats and honey for a no-cook energy preparation requiring zero fuel. As dairy production costs continue rising through 2026, shelf-stable formats are already trending upward in price at major retailers. Item 1. Oral rehydration salts. 84 cents. This is the most underestimated item in the entire store. The World Health Organization credits oral rehydration salts with saving tens of millions of lives globally, specifically because diarrheal disease from contaminated water is the #1 killer in post-disaster environments worldwide. These packets contain the exact clinically validated ratio of salts and glucose needed to halt fatal dehydration before it progresses to a medical emergency. Find them in the pharmacy or baby care section for 84 cents. One item. 84 cents. Documented by the WHO as one of the most important medical interventions in human history. If this list changed your next Walmart run, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop "ready" in the comments if you're heading to Walmart before June. Let's see how many of us are already ahead of the crowd.